Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. I know y'all know it's the fall season, y'all. And that means everybody loving this pumpkin stuff. So I was in Sam's the other day, and I saw they had this Krusteaz. Y'all know I love my Krusteaz waffle batter. I love Krusteaz waffle batter. And I said, now Krusteaz make good products. I ain't never tasted much from a Krusteaz that's not good. So they had the Krusteaz multi-purpose bacon mix pumpkin spice. I said, you know what, let me try this out. Let's see. And I see they have 3-pack, meaning you can make the pumpkin bread, pumpkin pancakes, and the pumpkin cookies. So I'm going to make all 3, but not today in the video. Today I'm making the pumpkin bread. So they say it's 3 pouches in here, so I guess you give me 3 pouches. I got 2 left still in here. So I'm gonna make the pumpkin bread first, which is a pumpkin cake, I guess. So let me get my bowl over here, y'all. And I got everything measured out already. It's according to the box. They say you need a half a cup of oil, 2 eggs, and then 2/3 cups of water, and a pouch of the mix. You say you pour it in your muffin. Yeah, you can do muffin tins or whatever. They got that on there if you got. But you can do it in a regular loaf pan like this, like I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna make a little cream cheese icing. They suggest if you wanna put that on there, I'm gonna make a little cream cheese icing, a little glaze to go on it. But it's very simple according to the recipe. I know I'm not a pumpkin fan. I didn't grow up eating pumpkin stuff. We eat sweet potatoes growing up. That's what we grew up in the country, in the South. I'm not a big pumpkin fan. But we're gonna try this out. So I got the mix in there. I'm gonna pour a little, mix these eggs up here. First thing I like to do before I pour it in there, I pour it in the water, mix that up together. It's a little baking trick. A little baker's trick, y'all. All right. Mix that up in there, throw the oil. You know it's gonna be moist when you got oil. Anytime you got to be something with oil in it, y'all, you know it's gonna be moist. Okay. All you're gonna do, I say, mix it together. Just how easy is this, huh? And this is gonna be very interesting, which I'm gonna do these the next couple of days here. How one mix is gonna be able to make 3 items. Of course, you're gonna be probably adding different things and adding and subtracting different things, but make cookies out of this and pancakes. I can understand the pancakes, but the cookie ain't gonna kind of throw me for a loop here. Okay, mix that by hand. I ain't need a mixer, y'all. Push that off there. Come off there. Come off there. Okay, we're gonna pour it in my low pan here. It's a regular size low pan, y'all. What is a regular size low pan? I guess the size you always use. I don't know. A normal size low pan that everybody uses. Okay, y'all. It say 350 degrees for 57 to 62 minutes. So I'm gonna check it out for like 45 minutes, y'all, and see if it's done. And then while I'm away here, I'm gonna just make a regular cream cheese glaze. I ain't gonna do a video for that. Just regular cream cheese, butter, and powdered sugar, a little milk, just like everybody makes it. So anyway, we'll be back when this comes out the oven. Old school pumpkin bread made by Krusteaz. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Man, it smells absolutely amazing in here. So I took it out the oven. It took exactly 50 minutes, y'all. It's almost an hour it took to cook. And like I said, I made a little cream cheese icing here. I'm gonna put on it. That means this has to completely cool. I'm gonna take it out of the pan just a second before I go off on the video. I got look. All this is butter, cream cheese, and powdered sugar, y'all. That's all it is. Same cream cheese icing you make all the time. Very simple and easy. So yeah. So it, like I said, it smells absolutely amazing in here. And what I'm gonna do, I can do this right now. I'm gonna flip this out. Put it right here on the rack. And I'm gonna let this cool completely. Y'all know it gotta cool completely before I can put this cream cheese icing on it. If I put it on here right now, you know what's gonna happen. It's gonna be just cream cheese water. So anyway, I'll be back once I put the cream cheese icing on there. And then we're gonna slice into this thing and see how good it is. Old school pumpkin bread, Krusteaz style. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Like I say, y'all, I got a little vase here. I'm gonna put on this cake bread, they call it. Really, it's a cake. And just put a little cream cheese icing on here. Cake's still a little warm, y'all. Which is good. It help it kind of slide on a little better. Put it on here. Like I say, y'all, all this is a little cream cheese and butter, powdered sugar, regular cream cheese icing like you put on what, carrot cake. There we go. Now I'm gonna step off here, y'all. Get this out the way. We're gonna slice this up here. And I'm gonna get a slice of this. I gotta do that world famous YouTube thumbnail. And we're gonna come back here, slice the piece up. And we're gonna see how Krusteaz, see how it did, and if it's up to their level of their waffle mix. I know their waffle mix is good. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. I'm gonna slice me a piece, and we'll be right back and see how it is. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, for the final taste test here, y'all. Look at that. A nice slice there. Look like gingerbread cake, but pumpkin spice cake. So I guess it's pretty much the same thing. So we're gonna see how Krusteaz did here. See how I know it's gotta be moist, y'all. You got oil in there. Okay, with all that icing on. You know, I gotta get going with all that icing on there. Look at that there. All right, going in. Good. Good, y'all. Y'all, it's really good. Krusteaz make the best stuff, y'all. If they made with real pumpkin. You definitely taste the allspice in there, nutmeg, cinnamon. Like I say, I got this in Sam's. I don't know if it's just a holiday thing or they have it all the time. I've never seen it before. So if you're in Sam's, I mean, maybe it's in another grocery store too, but I just happened to see it in Sam's. I picked it up. I'm gonna try it out. Like I say, I'm gonna do the cookies. They got cookies and pancakes, so I'm gonna try both of them. But get this stuff out of my house. I can't eat all this stuff, y'all. The neighbor's gonna be happy. Well, anyway, just want to show you a little Krusteaz. Now, like I say, I got 2 more to go here. Now, anyway, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media account: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023. Just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.